What's up, y'all? Raven Powers here, and today we are going to look at some props that I'm going to start to collect. So, other than that, let's get started on the first prop. Now, those two props that I saw from Walmart. The first part I'm going to show y'all is Batman. This is from 1997 Batman and Robin movie. Um, you can tell. I don't know if you want to see it. You can tell because it says 1997, and y'all can say, "Oh, where was this from?" This is from the Batman and Robin movie, and in the back it says 80 years of Batman, and it do say DC superheroes, and that's what I got. So I got it from Walmart, $8. I got this for $8. Next, I am going to show y'all Quasimodo from Hunchback of Notre Dame. This brings back memories for me. My childhood. I love watching Quasimodo of Hunchback of Notre Dame. As you can tell that he made his own doll. Let me show y'all right there. He made his own doll. And in the back, you see I got Quasimodo, Esmeralda, and Quasimodo the Fool. So I will get those probably very soon. The reason why it's very soon that it's going to come because I ordered two more cops on Amazon. So I will have two more cops on Amazon. I will show y'all in the next video. That's all I want to show y'all. That's these two I want to show y'all from Walmart. They're both $8. Next, two is from Walgreens, and I bought two of those, and it was only for $5. Um, okay, I'm gonna show you this. This one, I did some research on this one. This is Miss Marvel. And this is, when I found out, this is the first Pakistani teenage superhero. And I think that's very cool. And in the back, there's some more heroes, or like Blade, as you can see here. Blade. Um, let's see, who else is on there? Fist, Iron Fist. Iron Fist is on there. Black Bolt and Luke Cage. So they're all on there. They're all on this box, and this is exclusive at Walgreens. You can only get this at Walgreens. Next pop I'm going to show y'all is also from my childhood. This is Aladdin, not Aladdin, Jasmine from Aladdin. Sorry I messed that up. Bring back my childhood memories. I love watching Aladdin. Robin Williams as the genie. As you can see in the back, there's the Jafar as the genie, Jasmine that have Abu, Aladdin, and Roger the tiger. I love the tiger. The tiger's so cute when he's small. He's turned small. He's cute. Now, the next pops. Yes, I said pops because let me move these out of the way because the reason why I said pops, because I got this from the mail today. We both unboxed it together. My grandmother told me I had mail today. I was like, okay, I'm gonna see what it is. I was so suspicious what it is. It says very fragile. Okay, and it's from Get a Life Inc. or whatever. I think that's what's from. Sorry, I moved the camera out of the box. Oh, I know what this is. This is from Amazon. Not the two that I just ordered. I forgot I ordered four more of these. And this is the kiss pop that I ordered. And I do have all four kiss. I decided to get all four of them. And on Amazon, I got this from Amazon. They're all 40s. This is the Demon. Gene Simmons as the Demon. Let's see who else. You know what? I was gonna pick it random. See who I pick, and I'm gonna show you. Ah, Catman. So Catman here. This is Peter Chris as um as Catman or Catman. They won't say who it is, but Catman. I will say Peter Chris because Peter Chris is the original Catman. Okay, next one. Next one. Oh, Star Child. Paul Stanley. Yeah, Paul Stanley as Star Child. And last but not least, we got the Spaceman. Ace Frehley. That is awesome. It came in the mail today. I ordered all these four here on Amazon. And I'm glad it came today. I thought it was going to come on the 28th. That's what they say it's going to come, but I'm glad it came early. For some reason, it came early. Okay. And now we're going to do a minis that I got from Walgreens today. I got minis from Walgreens. Actually, these are $5. I got those mixed up. Those are 8. These are 5. These are 5. I'm so sorry I got this mixed up. These are $5. So I think it's like $5 each. I got Ralph Breaks the Internet. I don't know if I can Ralph. And we got Toy Story 4. So I'm going to do Toy Story 4 first. And in the back of the box, it has Woody, Buzz, Bullseye, Jesse, Rex. They also have the alien, Bunny, Bo Peep, Forky. They got the Turquoise dummy. I forgot the Turquoise dummy name. Gabby Gabby, the little soldier. The daring dude. I forgot his name. Um, and so many others. So let's unbox this first and see what we got here. Ooh, it's very small. It's gotta be. Let's see what it is. It's very small. And it got a hat too. I think it's got a hat. So it got to be. It can't be Woody or Jesse. So it gotta be one person with that hat on. Oh, there it goes. Mm. Hey, I got her. That's neat. See this mini? It's so neat. I forgot her name, but she's so cute. I don't think it says her name, but it's so cute. Look at her. So cute. That's so cute. I'm gonna put it back in the bag. I was gonna put it back in the bag, put it back in the box. I'm gonna start doing minis as well. So any minis I find, I'm going to do a mini unboxing as well. Excuse me. Now, last but not least, we're going to do Ralph Breaks the Internet. Ralph Breaks the Internet. That's what we're going to do right here. I think we're going to get Ralph or Miss Know-It-All or some. Yeah, or the bunny. You know the game, the bunny that eats many pancakes. That's what I like. Okay, here it is. Wow, it's big. It's really big. Let me see what this is. It's gotta be Ralph. It's gotta be Ralph holding the circuits, I think. It didn't say. It's gotta be Ralph or Ralph holding the circuit. Wait a minute. No, it can't be Ralph. gotta be Penelope. I think it's gotta be Penelope, I think. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's the blue. Okay, I think I forgot her name is. That's what it is that I picked. If you know her name, comment down below, let me know you know her name. Please. Thank you. Alright, that's so fun. This is fun. I can't wait to do more of the props that I'm going to unbox. I can't wait to do more of these. I'm super excited to do more of these. Okay, everybody, that's about it for today. If you'd like me to do more of showing you more props that I'm going to start to collect, please leave a like and leave a like. And also subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on so you won't miss any of my videos. I will see y'all next time. Raven Power signing off. Peace and goodbye, everybody.